We do have some showers and thunderstorms and actually much needed rainfall over southern Indiana. So thankfully so far no watches or warnings in our immediate viewing area, but that is likely going to change, unfortunately. So this is the updated risk from the Storm Prediction Center, which includes a rare moderate risk here in red. That's level 4 out of the 5 severe weather risk categories from the Storm Prediction Center. And just to give you some perspective, the National Weather Service told me a little while ago that we haven't had a moderate risk covering the majority of our area since July 2018, so over 6 years ago. So fairly rare event when we have the amount of ingredients that we have in place to potentially produce severe weather. So a severe weather outbreak possible around the region with tornadoes, large hail, damaging wind, flash flooding, frequent lightning. And yes, that means pretty much all of the severe weather threats are on the table for today. Scattered strong to severe storms possible this morning. Midday, another round around lunchtime, and then also late afternoon, early evening. It's that late afternoon, early evening threat that has the highest potential for tornadoes. So either way, be prepared to seek shelter if a warning is issued. I'll be here all day. Our complete storm team will be watching this very, very closely for you until that threat ends around sunset. Again, 3 p.m. until 8 p.m., that highest threat of tornadoes. Find a sturdy shelter away from the windows. If that warning is issued, you want to get away from the mobile home. So prepare ahead of time. Now is the time to prepare to find that sturdier shelter beforehand. Have that severe weather safety kit ready to go. Cell phones all charged up. And then make sure the family knows what to do in the event of a severe weather outbreak. And you can grab those pillows and blankets and get that safe place ready to go in your home or maybe even your business. This is a look at Max HD radar right now. Several tornado warnings here right around Paducah. The tornado watch goes up to right around Evansville until 9 o'clock this morning. So we're just kind of watching that as it marches closer to our area. So far, here's some heavy rainfall lining up along Highway 56 and points north in southern Indiana, making some slow progress to the south. This line of some rain about to bump over into Clark County. As we expand out our view, just want to show you we have the energy in place for severe weather. It's a little bit higher. This is the storm fuel out in western Kentucky, and that's what these storms and these tornadoes are feeding on out to the west. And it's made up of these above normal temperatures, summer-like conditions at 72 degrees here in Louisville. It's going to get warmer in the mid to upper 70s later today. So the ingredients for severe weather increasing even more as we head into the late afternoon hours. So we'll see that on Futurecast. This morning's line coming up to Louisville and the Ohio River as we head towards around 8 o'clock this morning. We could see another round of some strong thunderstorms on top of us here at around lunchtime, early afternoon. Then that final round with that higher tornado threat, because these storms could be rotating as supercells here right on the front edge of the strong cold front and feeding on these warm temperatures. So this is late afternoon, early evening around 5 p.m. 8 p.m. sunset. The threat is moving off to the east, and we can settle down and relax after that. Next up, it's kind of crazy. Tomorrow we have wet, windy, cold conditions, upper 40s, lower 50s, and maybe sneaking in some snow showers here for tomorrow night into early Thursday as we fall down to the 30s. And it is going to be just a blustery cold day for Thursday as we fall down to the 40s with some still lingering sprinkles and some windy conditions across the area. Pretty rough work week, pretty rough start to April, unfortunately, for us. Just got to get through it here and just be extra weather alert today. Be ready to seek shelter if that warning's issued. 78 are high today. Turning colder tonight, low temperature at 44. And then after today's severe weather threat, it's just again kind of wet and windy and drizzly all the way through Friday, but looking better this weekend. Sunshine Saturday at 58, 60s on Sunday. The big eclipse day on Monday could feature some clouds and maybe a few showers, but mild at 70 degrees. Sam?